Article writing, your personal library of books. We write and we write well. At least we hope that we do. Still, we writers need our own library of go-to books to help us write with strength, market our wares, and simply to inspire us to greater works. I've compiled a brief list of useful books for the Serious Article Writers Library. Some I own, while others I plan on buying. The Chicago School of Style, 15th edition, considered by English-speaking authors as the Bible of proper grammar usage and style, this 950-plus page reference book is everything you need to have on hand when you simply are not sure about punctuation, grammar, spelling, etc. Surprisingly, the book is not stuffy as it allows serious writers some flexibility with the rules. If you have been writing for some time, you know that rules do change. I was shocked when even the Chicago School started a sentence with, "and in it." Oh me, oh my. Guerrilla Marketing for Writers. I am very curious about this title as I have seen reference to it on various writers' websites. Essentially, guerrilla marketing espouses the need for writers, particularly book authors, to spend as much as 33% of their time marketing. Writing in and of itself is so involved. Who has the time? Writers market every year since this reference book was first issued in 1921. The writers market has served writers in finding places where they can submit their work for payment. The book lists contact information, submission guidelines, and tips on all the who/what/when/where/why of the word industry. Random House Webster's Pocket Grammar, Usage, and Punctuation Guide. Okay, I admit it. When I don't feel like lugging the Chicago style around, this Random House book meets most of my needs. 300 power-packed pages that will easily fit in your laptop carrying case, purse, or suit jacket pocket. No, I rarely use a dictionary anymore, nor do I rely on a thesaurus. Everything I need is right online or part of my Word program. I don't know about you, but I am definitely a 21st century writer who manages to write, edit, rewrite, submit and accomplish a multitude of related tasks from the ease of my laptop computer. No pencil and paper for me, except when lounging by the river or down at the beach. Oh, for more of those types of experiences.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.